friends, myself Aishwarya Nair. I am a third year mechanical engineering student. So I am here to tell you about my experience. During my admission time, I was literally not aware about any college or institute. So it was very difficult for me and my friends to recognize a good college with a very good placement cell. Later, I got admission in a very good college with the best training and placement cell provided. So when I heard about the CAP guide, I thought it is a great platform for the coming students or the coming batch. So through this platform, it would be much easier for y'all to decide the college you all are searching for. Through this, I would like to introduce my college. My college name is Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is located at Talegaon Dhabade. It is under PCET, that is Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust. It is affiliated to SPPU Savitribai Phule Pune University. College is surrounded by Chakan MIDC, Pimpri Chinchwad MIDC, Bhosri MIDC and Talegaon MIDC. Our college is advanced infrastructure and well occupied computer and mechanical labs. The best thing is we have an active TNP cell, training and placement cell, which organizes non-technical and technical seminars for our development of skills and confidence. An art circle in which he or she can show off their talents. We also have a very well maintained canteen just near to hostel. Our college has provided different hostels for boys as well as girls, and we also look after the safety of girls. Our college is very good at cultural activities. Every year the college organizes various activities like Dandiya, Shiv Jayanti, cultural days, which are very fun to do. These cultural days are conducted between Feb and March, which goes on till 1 week. Last year, our college organized a new technical event named as Smart Indian Hackathon (SIH), which was a very successful event. People from many companies came to event to see the ideas of students and also help them to solve some technical issues, and students also gave a positive and excellent response to the event. So talking about my personal experience, the best cultural event for me was the treasure hunt conducted by our seniors during our cultural fest. That was the best experience for me. The most important thing is the bonding between teachers and students. And in our college, whenever students need help, teachers are always ready to help you. Talking about our faculty, the teachers are well qualified and knowledgeable. Their teaching techniques are unique, and if a student don't get any topic, then that student can ask other faculty or the same professor twice or thrice. Practicals are conducted twice in a descriptive manner if not understood once. The course curriculum is completed on time and no delays. As teaching quality is excellent, it makes students ready to face today's industry and fulfill their needs. They are very kind and caring. As our college belongs to PCET, that is Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust, so it provides best campus placements, teaching, internships and many more. Our senior batch students almost got placed in top MNC companies with good packages. 300 plus companies visit our college, and every year 100% placement of eligible student is done. It depends upon as per the fields. Backbone of each and every college is TNP, that is training and placement cell. And our training and placement cell brings reputed companies in our college like KPIT, ZP, Quantify, KSB Pumps, Amazon, Capgemini, Alpha Lava, etc. We also get exposure to merchant navy and get chances to work with Japanese companies in Japan. We have an organization known as BLCI. It is the bridge between education system and industry. It has been started in collaboration between our trust and Japan, and thus training which is given to engineers in training period, we learn that in our academics, and thus students of our college get chance to work with reputed company in core field. Talking about the most interesting thing, that is food, our college is surrounded with some good cafes and restaurants. The closest cafe near the college is Cafe Delight, and good restaurant nearby is Maharaja Hotel. And a good news for misal lovers is that the Mawar's famous misal is just 3 to 4 kilometers away from the college at Vadgaon. Sometimes when you get bored of lectures, you need to plan to hang out, and our college has got few places for you. We have got a garden near to our college which is big, safe and a clean place which can easily fresh up your mind. There is also a lake which is behind the college, which is to undergo a little construction, but it is very nice and refreshing place. There are also theaters nearby our college in Talegaon. Whenever a new movie releases, you can go and watch them easily. If you are going to be living in hostel or on PGs near the college, then you are going to have a variety of plans to explore in Marvel, like forts and also amazing places to visit during monsoon, to get lost into the nature and enjoy the life. That's all. So I think that this information will definitely help you all to make the correct decision to take admission in a very good college. Last but not least, I would like to thank Cap Guide for giving me this opportunity to talk about my college and share the same with you all. So thank you and all the best for your future.